Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox a innovative product from the brand Gold Medal. So the name of this product is Emergency Inverter Bulb. So let us try to see uh, what what the box contains. So you can see here, this is an inverter bulb. You see here. So here you have two terminals, which is called B22 holder. So we can directly connect to the holder. You see here, just I am short circuiting both. Okay, so when I short circuit the bulb starts glowing. So this is the innovation of this product. Okay, so when you short circuit both the terminal, automatically the bulb starts glowing whenever the power is interrupted or when we have power cuts. Okay, there's a beauty of this bulb. You can see here, it seems to be like an normal. The bulb is continuously on with the help of the battery which is inbuilt with it. So the purpose of this unboxing this bulb is, so nowadays the students want to study for 10th class or for intermediate, so if we need to have an light at night time also, so all the families those have, so they can't buy an inverter for 20,000. This bulb costs only some 280, approximately 300 rupees. So by having this small bulb, you can install to an normal holder like this. You can install to an watts rated, and it can directly hold into an B22 holder, a normal holder, and it can give a maximum life of 25,000 working hours, and it has an lumen efficiency of 100 million 100 watts. And coming to the features, so inherently this has an 2200 milliampere hour lithium ion battery, and the charging time to charge this bulb is 8 to 10 hours is the charging time, and it can give an backup without power for 4 hours, and it can withstand all the wide voltage variations from the supply, and this is not like an dimmable. So when the supply is on, it gives only 50%, for example. So when the supply is off, okay, it gives, this is running only with 4 watts. So when you directly connect to the supply, it will run with 9 watts, and it doesn't produce any ultraviolet radiation or infrared radiation. So the cost of the bulb printed on the box is 660 rupees, but if you want to purchase at Gudur Kishore Electricals, it is available only for 280 rupees. I will leave the number of the shop. You can directly online in order in online also. We'll leave the number. Okay, now let us try to see how to install this bulb and how it works when the supply is on or when the supply is off. Okay, let's try to have the review. Hi all, so this is after installation of the bulb. Now you can see here, I have been turned on the supply. So supply is in on condition, the switch is in on condition. You can see the switch is in on condition, and the bulb is taking the supply, and it is glowing with 9 watts power consumption. So I will remove the supply. Let us see here how it operates. So example is, whenever the supply is interrupted, I mean the power goes, automatically you can see here the bulb starts glowing. Okay, so automatically when the supply goes, automatically the bulb is turned on. Okay, so this is what happens in the case of power cuts. So actually if you keep the bulb in on condition and if supply directly goes, okay, so you can see here, so I'm going to interrupt the supply. Okay, so as soon as I interrupt the supply, you can see here the bulb is still glowing, which indicates that it is not giving any interruption. So the bulb is continuously on with the help of the battery which is inbuilt with it. So the purpose of this unboxing this bulb is, so nowadays the students want to study for 10th class or for intermediate, so if we need to have an light at night time also, so all the families those have, so they can't buy an inverter for 20,000. This bulb costs only some 280, approximately 300 rupees. So by having this small bulb, you can install to an normal holder like this. You can install to an B22 holder, a normal holder also. So automatically when the power is not available, automatically the bulb will turn on. Okay, so the purpose of unboxing is, this is very innovative product. With low cost you can enjoy the uninterruptible power supply, and you can make your kids or the children to study also. So hope this product is very useful. So that is one bulb. I have another. You can see here, you can show some magic to your students also, or to your kids also. So this is positive terminal and negative terminal. So when I short circuit it, okay, so you can see here, when it is short circuited, automatically the bulb starts glowing. This is also like the people feel more interesting to watch this type of videos. That's why I started unboxing a useful product for the budget friendly emergency bulb. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.